Alright guys, here we go, Rx7. You can see it took the wing off because it was super loose, it was wobbling. So now we're gonna clean it up, install it back together, make it nice and snug. Here we go, let's go. So just pop the trunk. It's pretty easy to take the wing off. You just pull this insert here. Just a push pin. And then there's a stud and nut coming out of this hole. You just use a 10mm socket. Is the easy way to take those bolts off. You just need to soap and water to clean all this dirt, dust. And so here's the wing. I prepped this down already. I cleaned. This is so dirty. It's so black in here. I don't know what those black material is, but it's covered with dirt. It was a little bit of wetness into it. So soap and water to clean that off, and then we're gonna finish it off with a double-sided tape all around the perimeter here. See how there's a 2 stud right here, and then it should have another stud coming out of here, but I don't know if this is normal. It's rusted out already. We'll put double-sided tape and then slap this back into the vehicle, and then we're gonna bolt it down tight. But first we're gonna put this washer in here. This is gonna be in the bottom of the hatch, and then we'll put the bolt after so that it's nice and solid. It's not gonna flex, and it's gonna be nice and steady. Alright guys, check it out. You got the double-sided tape around the perimeter of this area right here where it meets to the trunk. This side right here is a little dip. I'm guessing this is where the water drain will come out. If there's water inside, we're gonna leave that open. And then after that, let's do the other side, and we'll mount this to the trunk. Alright guys, so this is the next day back. It's raining out, so I took the Rx7 back in the garage. So we got the double-sided tape on the spoiler, so make sure this is nice and clean. Trying to scrub all this thing out. This is the best I can do. Same thing on this side, make sure it's dry. And I just use an air blower. So make sure this is nice and warm, because we don't want anything water in here or super cold. So make sure it's nice and prepped, ready to go. Alright, let's put this spoiler back on now. Alright guys, so I got the double-sided tape peeled off already. This is all sticky, ready to go. Same thing on the other side. Alright, we're just gonna lay it flat, and then we're gonna bolt it down. Alright, just let that double-sided tape sit right in there. So here's that washer, wide washer that we're gonna go put it on here, and then bolt it down with this screw. So this washer will have a really wide surface to pull everything down so that it's not gonna wobble and it's not gonna move. Hi Jesse.
Daddy, I want the game.
Huh?
I want the game.
What game?
Uno.
What game are you talking about?
It's Uno.
No.
Yeah, I win.
Alright, so the first bolt is in. The second one is gonna be coming in from this side because it's way back here. We'll just put the washer in first, the nut right after. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. Alright guys, so just nice and snug. Don't want to go crazy with those nuts, okay? So this is done. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, on this side it was a little tough, because I don't know why, but it was a little tough for me. So I put the washer in, use this, go to this little hole right here. This will push the washer up while I'm putting the nut in here, and then line up the hole, and then just ratchet. This is the style of ratchet you need, square box ratchet, okay? Way easier. You can't put a socket in here, it's so tight in there. And then this here will push the ratchet up, bring that pressure, push it up while you're ratcheting it like that. Okay, keep doing that till it gets nice and snug. Now we're gonna be snapping this inner panel here. So this is the tabs right here. There's a lot of tabs. This is missing. There's one right there, here, missing. One right here, over there, because I'm missing maybe like 5 of them. So I had to buy some more. But so far right now, it's gonna spread them out, and then we're gonna be snapping this back in. It will just snap right in. There's no bolts or screw or anything hold it down, so we're just gonna have to push it in, and then everything should snap back together. It looks nice and snug. Right, that's pretty good. Look at that, perfect. Little movement, but better than before. But so far so good, guys. This is nice and done. Looks sweet, solid. You can see that double-sided tape right there. This is a fix. Let's go. Thanks for watching.